Uigrun. In this video, I will teach you how to build words for your constructed language. Word building is one of the most important parts of language creation. There are many ways to make words for your language. First of all, you can make words by randomly typing on your keyboard, trying to model words from your native language, or by learning a foreign language. Typing the words randomly is not generally recommended because you can create many words that look similar. In this way, any word that you create won't have any standardization. I would recommend you to do something different. If you want to create a set of fictional words and phrases for your Conlang, the best way to do it is by defining prefixes, suffixes, and many grammar features. Take my Conlang as an example. Aepsognian language is created by using prefixes that can add, modify, or remove the meaning of a word. The prefixes are initial components that capitalize the main word in order to mark emphasis. You can create your own system of prefixes by defining what kinds of word do you want.
But wait, why do I need to capitalize?
Well, Willy, that's because we need to know which word is the main word and which is the prefix.
So, prefixes are words too.
Yes, of course. We use them as some simple words that can be added on main words, but for suffixes there is no need for capitalization. We already know what part of the word is a suffix. So, before doing some examples on prefixes, let's see the one-letter prefixes that are the basics of word building in my constructed language. So, the first letter is A. It means word introduction. This is typically used when we introduce some part of the context. B prefix is used for connection. For example, the word bedsoein, personal name. C, which is pronounced ц in this case, is division factor. So, the word tsoairug means division. D is the region part of a word. The Suaveranmu, city municipality. E is the contextual multiply prefix. Eno airug, multiplication. F, multiply prefix, but it doesn't mean the same like E, because foecho means times. Like 2 times 2. Vrui, foecho, vrui. Hubsru. G, quantity prefix, used when there is a large number of something. Gorsogranmu, it means abundance.
Gorsogranmu, you forgot the pronunciation.
R, addition prefix. The word gorsur means very. H, sentence introduction. H can have multiple meanings, so here is a list of them. It can also mean it is, because there's no verb meaning to be in Aepsognian. I, subtract prefix. J, negation. Jao, it means no. L, position. Lang'anrug literally means position. M, number modifier. Moechren, numerous. N, entire. Niuren means all. O, preposition around. When you draw the circle, this is probably the meaning of the O prefix. Otsostia, circle. P, second person. Ptav, your color. R, third person. Riog, his speech. S, one, single value. Sorhumpren, alone. T, shape color modifier. Tavern, colorful. U, question context. Usat, question equivalent to is it. V, first person. Vaesa, I'm able. J, time prefix. Jebznung, minute. And the last letter, Z, time expression prefix. Znong zu, day. That's basically it for the single letter prefixes. There are also diacritic vowels as prefixes. A, action word. Ar sudevsmu, ability. E, emotion, feeling. Enov, love. I, action verb. Aiosan pevsamu, possibility. O, plural form. Ut tiktuk, people. U, this prefix has many meanings. General, temporary, multiple, contextual, instruction, information, etc. Here is an example that uses u as a prefix. Ustse amstrug. This word means information.
What? How do I remember?
The actual way how this word is created is with the prefix usts. It's the general word prefix. The term general means that this word is used in general context, like I want to inform you that I'm telling you something. I use the prefix usts. The next part is eamsts. In this case, e and a are pronounced like this because of their vowel harmony. So, eamsts is basically the word root, used when defining a context. This cannot be split to smaller parts. So the word root is word root, and there's no way to split it even further. But some word roots can be split. The final suffix is rug. Rug is the equivalent to ion in English. Anything that ends with ion suffix in English will be rug in Aepsognian.
That sounds interesting. I think I can pronounce it. Amstrug.
Great job, Willy. That's the exact way how it should be pronounced. Let's move on to the next example. Haphasu, mother. The prefix h is introduction. Aep is the word root. Hasu is the suffix. It means family member. Suffixes in Aepsognian have more than just one meaning, so for that reason I will make a separate video for suffixes. These are some other examples of combined prefixes. Uts, general division single. Ot, multiple shape quantity. Aio, action preposition. I, word introduction action. Aepsognian language has 7 categories of prefixes, and one thing that is particular for all prefixes is that they can have the same number of letters and can be added to any word. The only thing that is different is the meaning, the category that they are used. So, these categories will be part of multiple videos on this channel. So, let's make more examples of prefixes.
But wait, can I use those letters to make any prefix?
Yes, Willy. You can use those 29 letters to create your own prefixes. So, let's play a prefix creation game.
Yay, I wanna create some words.
Vh. Vh is the first person and sentence introduction. This combined prefix would mean my. Vh tiktuk, my person. Ihg. We used 3 letters now. Great job. This means subtract sentence quantity. Ihg means to subtract something, the opposite of r. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I provide paid lessons in 4 different categories. If you want to learn this language and make your own words, you can send me a message on Instagram. There will be more tutorials about word building and everything that you need to know if you want to create a Conlang. Consider subscribing and I will be making more videos. So goodbye and wisruig.
Nitik to quiz ruig. Goodbye everyone.